Welcome, everyone. Today, we're excited to present a program entitled The Efficiency of Basic Inventory Tracking System for Small Retail Sari-Sari Store Operations. In this brief presentation, we'll walk you through the main features, functions used, and the overall functionality of our program.
Our program offers the comprehensive solution for the small retail businesses to efficiently track and manage their inventory. As you can see in our main display, we have our key features including inventory management wherein user can easily view and upgrade inventory details such as quantity and price for each item. Next is checkout system. It's a streamlined checkout process for purchasing items directly from the inventory.
We also have purchase history. Keep track of past purchases to analyze sales trends and make informed decisions. Also, the program runs in a continuous operation, allowing users to perform multiple tasks without interruption.
So we have here the functions used, and now let's proceed to the actual program.
So how does it work? The program is built using Python and utilizes functions such as file handling for data storage, user input for interaction, and loops for continuous operation. Now let us take a closer look at how it operates. Users are greeted with the main menu upon launching the program where they can choose between viewing the inventory, checking out items, viewing purchase history, or exiting the program. The first one here is the Open Inventory. The inventory management features allows users to add, remove, or update item details, ensuring accurate stock information at all times. For example, we want to add an item to VCAT. We'll put 41. I want to add a quantity. I will add 5. And 5 VCAT added to the inventory. To check this, we can go again to inventory. And there, as you can see, VCAT is updated to, this is the original and this is the current since we added 5. Let's go back and try the checkout options. The checkout system enables users to select items from purchase with real-time updates to the inventory and calculation of total purchase amount. For example, I want to buy VCAT. We will input 41. Quantity of VCAT, I want 5. I also want Pepsi, 28. The quantity for that, I want 5. And if I have nothing else to add, I can just input 0 to be done. It will ask anything else, yes or no. Let's say I want to add something more, say yes. Add item to checkout. Let's say I want to add Sprite. That's number 37. I want to add 2. Yan, total purchase, na-update na siya, na-add na yung Sprite. Anything else, let's say yes. Mag-remove naman tayo. Lalabas ulit yung mga naka-add to cart. And then, babawas na ng Pepsi. Let's pick Pepsi. Babawasan ko siya ng 2. There, as you can see, updated na ulit yung total amount. And if it asks anything else, we can just answer no. Kung tapos na talaga bumili. And then we can proceed to...
Next, purchase history. Purchase history is recorded for each transaction, providing valuable insights into past sales activities and customer preferences. As you can see, the items we checked out earlier is listed here as well as the quantity. Now, we will check the inventory to see if it updated. There, the current price for VCAT is 18 pesos, and now only the current quantity is 50.
Our program is designed to address the specific needs of small retail sari-sari stores where efficient inventory management is crucial for success. By automating inventory-related tasks and providing real-time insights into stock levels and sales data, our program empowers store owners to make informed decisions, optimize operations, and maximize profitability.
As for the areas of improvement, while our program offers valuable functionality for small retail operations, there are always opportunities for improvement. For example, we could explore transforming the program into a standalone application that can be downloaded on Android phones for easier deployment and use across different platforms, although we already tried to convert it into .exe file, which can be downloaded to Windows. Additionally, enhancing the user interface and adding more advanced features could further enhance the overall user experience.
So, to conclude, our program provides a practical and user-friendly solution for managing inventory in small retail businesses. With its initiative interface, essential features, and continuous operation, our program is a valuable tool for streaming operations and driving success in the competitive retail landscape.
So that's for our group. Thank you for your attention, and we welcome any feedback or questions.